Okay, so I am going to start my tree. Look, I have all my stuff here on my table. So I have my Christmas tree, y'all. My Family Dollar Christmas tree. And then I got these from Amazon. And all of it is listed on Amazon with the exception of the tree that I got from Dollar Store. And the only thing that's not here is my fake snow. Let me tell y'all, I had a dream of a fake snow on my tree. And because it's not in Amazon Prime, literally, I don't even know when that snow's gonna be here. They said Friday, but I kind of feel like December's gonna be halfway over. It's the 7th by the time I get my snow. So I wanna put up my tree. So we gonna do that.
Dedication, reservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly.
Oh yeah, y'all, and let me comment on my head because I know y'all are like, what? I don't know what's happening. This was supposed to be curled. I think I put on the wrong type of stuff and it's just not. And so I hope that's not too distracting. We in the house, we good. Okay, so I want to put my Christmas tree here. I know I got all these wires, don't judge me, y'all. I want to put it here, but I have to unplug stuff and then I have to have a wire coming to the TV. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna explain this. There's no place to plug the tree. And so I will have to unplug the TV and plug it in somewhere else. Or I could just put my tree right here by the door. But I just don't feel like it will be well right there. Well, maybe it would be. Maybe it'll just be easier. Okay. I'm gonna make life easier on myself and put my Christmas tree here because it's just a plug here already. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I actually got this tree from Family Dollar. It's 20 bucks, y'all. I'm saying, don't sleep on Family Dollar. Y'all can be picking trees if you want to, but this one will last me time and time and time again. Okay, so my tree is looking a little bit Charlie Brown, if y'all know what a Charlie Brown tree is, but we gonna work with it. We gonna work with it though. We gonna work with it. So this is a 6-inch tree, which I think is BS because 6-foot tree, because I'm 5'2", so maybe, but we gonna work it out. We gonna work it out. So I actually got these lights from Family Dollar as well. All the other stuff is gonna be on Amazon, but these came from Family Dollar. So let's hope that they work. And hope that all is well. They work. Good they work. All right. Why? These are not a lot of lights, y'all. It's not a big tree. We're gonna work it out. Looking a little bit like it's on its last leg, but we gonna rock with it. We gonna rock with it. I'm telling you, we gonna make it happen.
A few moments later.
Update. I didn't get enough lights for the tree, and I know it looks crazy, but I am still confident, y'all. I am still confident that y'all are gonna be amazed by how this tree looks by the time I get done with it. I know it don't look like it, but you will. Okay, back to my tree. I'm gonna start filling it with stuff. The first is just gonna be this, just because I feel like it's easier, you know? So I'm gonna take these and like fill them in around the empty spots and wrap them around the this. Okay. We're adding things, we're adding things. It's looking a little better. We're adding things, we're adding things, we're adding things. And so now we're gonna put these little sticky things on there to make it look better. Okay, so legit, I didn't know I had to like make these flowers happen. I mean, I know I ordered them like that and I was wondering why they look flat. I'm not even gonna worry about it. So I have to make these flowers to put on the tree. Okay, look y'all, I have grabbed my Christmas candle because I need to have a vibe. So we're gonna do this while we add stuff to my tree.
Being sung by choir.
A few moments later.
It's looking nice, right? Okay, still shaping up. I still have to add my ornaments here. I got a whole Christmas candle vibe, and then I think we're done. Oh, and then I have to add the topper. Oh, they so wrong for this. Ooh. Ooh, this is a lot of work. Why did they not put this on here already? Now I gotta do it. I'm mad. Y'all, that was so tedious. It really was. Oh my God. But they're done and I'm going to add them onto my tree. And I'm over this whole experience. I was gonna add some more ornaments on top of this, but I'm kind of over it. I ordered my DoorDash, so. I worked up an appetite, y'all, and I got some stuff I shouldn't be eating, but I'm eating it. This is what happens when you decorate the tree. You see all this glitter on my face? It's on my couch. It's on everywhere, and I really don't even feel like cleaning it up, but I have to because it's like glitter mode everywhere. Okay, so I have two wreaths. This one I'm actually gonna put up inside the house because I don't have the hangy thing on it. And that one I'm gonna put outside the door. And then I think I'm done with my Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.
Like a butterfly.